Hello and welcome to TopApps.ai, where we share the latest tools and trends in artificial intelligence. We make AI make sense here in terms that people understand. So today we'll be talking about the future of sales and how AI can help you land more deals. But before we dive right in, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with all of the different things in AI, because this keeps changing. Change is the only constant, and we stay up to date on these things so you don't have to. Let's dive right in. First up, we have SendSpark. SendSpark is an incredible AI-powered video script generator that is specifically designed to boost sales by transforming how sales teams develop personalized and engaging video scripts for their outreach initiatives. Imagine crafting customer video scripts tailored to your target audience using computer data. It saves you time and resources compared to the traditional manual scripting where you have to write everything out on your own. But here comes the aha moment. With SendSpark, you can elevate your video outreach game by making a lasting impact on your prospects. Moving on to tool number 2. Personalize with a Z. Personalize is a remarkable tool that helps businesses in the sales category. It writes complete emails tailored to each prospect with just a few clicks from the user. Think of how all of the possibilities are truly endless when you can generate hundreds of fully personalized, relevant, and highly converting emails. It effectively doubles reply rates. Here's a thought-provoking question. How much stronger could your connections be if you had the power to deliver the perfect message to each individual prospect? It's insane. I can't believe that AI can do this. Now let's explore number 3, SalesBloom.ai. So, SalesBloom.ai is a comprehensive AI-powered sales assistant designed to accelerate sales processes and boost team productivity. Just picture a streamlined sales workflow where administrative tasks are automated. Valuable insights are uncovered and sales teams are empowered to close deals faster. Let me pose another provocative question for you. How much revenue growth and improved customer service could you achieve by integrating AI into your sales activity? Next on our list is number 4, Persona AI. Persona AI is an innovative AI-powered sales assistant that helps businesses optimize their sales processes. Imagine effectively managing your sales pipeline, tracking customer interactions, and identifying potential sales opportunities with intelligent AI features. And here's another aha moment. By integrating Persona.ai into your sales process, you can enhance customer service quality, drive revenue growth, and improve sales efficiency. Last but certainly not least, we have tool number 5, which is called Smarter Sales. Smarter Sales puts sales calls on autopilot, streamlining performance and saving up to 80% of your time. With instant feedback, empowering managers with insights, and a completely customizable experience, Smarter Sales is a game changer for new sales teams. As you embark on your AI-powered sales journey, remember that each tool brings unique advantages to the table, giving you a really diverse range of options to supercharge your sales performance. Who doesn't want more sales, right? To recap, we've explored 5 powerful AI tools to help your sales. SendSpark, the video scripting generator that helps you personalize your outreach. Personalize with a Z, the tool that generates fully personalized emails to boost your connection building. SalesBloom.ai, the comprehensive sales assistant that accelerates sales processes. Persona.ai, the innovative sales assistant for optimizing your sales pipeline. And lastly, number 5, Smarter Sales, the tool that puts your sales calls on autopilot, saving you time and improving performance. So, sales professionals, master the skill of AI and turbocharge your sales performance with these top AI tools. Discover more at TopApps.ai if you want to stay up to date with the latest and greatest in the AI world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with all of your other sales friends and other sales professionals and anyone who wants to unlock the power of AI in their sales strategies. That's it for today's video, but thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.